Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I will show you how to find your UID on Bitget safely and easily. Start by heading over to bitget.com. If you're not logged in, log in and at the top or top right or left, enter your details and log in securely. After login, go to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This opens your account's dashboard. This is the dashboard. Right under your username, you will see a series number labeled UID. Here it is. This is your unique user ID. It's usually located just above the verification status. You can copy it directly by clicking the copy icon next to it. Here is the copy icon. If you click, it will copy. For a clearer view, click the small arrow next to your profile or go to account settings. You will also find your UID listed there. You can also share your UID with support or friends when needed. Just be sure you are sharing it safely. And that's it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe and check out the next tutorial for more Bitget tips.